हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ सरस्वती एजुकेशन एकेडमी, सरस्वती इंग्लिश एकेडमी भादराजून जालौर। देखिए भाई, ये आपका एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.4 का पार्ट फर्स्ट है, जिसमें हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट दिया हुआ है, फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ। तो ए है, इसमें पार्ट ए है 20 एंड 28। पार्ट बी है 15 एंड 25। पार्ट सी है आपके 35 एंड 50 एंड पार्ट डी है आपके 56। पार्ट डी है 56 एंड 120। 56 एंड 120। चलिए भाई, देखो अपने स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखो ध्यान देंगे, फर्स्ट वन इज 20 एंड 28। आर पार्ट ए इज एक्स क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट एंड आर पार्ट ए इज 20 एंड 28। तो देखो भाई, ये देखते हैं अपने 20 एंड 28, यानी 20 एंड 28, इन दोनों में हमारे को बहुत ध्यान से समझना है। देखो ध्यान से देखना भाई, ध्यान से समझना है कि हमारे को पूछा है फाइंड द कॉमन फैक्टर्स ऑफ। तो 20 और 28 कॉमन फैक्टर लेना है, तो पहले 20 के फैक्टर्स करो। पार्ट ए में 20 के पहले फैक्टर्स करेंगे। तो देखो 20 में यहाँ 0 है तो 2 से डिवाइड होगा, ऑफकोर्स डिवाइड होगा, क्योंकि 2 की डिविजिबिलिटी होती है ना, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8। ये जब हमारी यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट्स होती हैं तो वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होता है। तो ये आपके 2 से डिविजिबल होगा, तो 2 का डिवाइड किया, 2 × 2 और ये 0। आफ्टर दैट फिर से 2 से डिवाइड किया तो यहाँ आ गए 5। अब देखो 5 से, अब 2 से डिवाइड तो होगा नहीं, 3 से भी नहीं होगा, 5 लिखा हुआ है 5, तो 5 से ही होगा डिवाइड, तो 5 बन जाए 5। ये हो गए फैक्टर्स अपने 20 के। नेक्स्ट वी विल गो फॉर 28 की तरफ चलेंगे अपने। तो 28 में 2 से डिवाइड करो, 2 × 1 = 2, 2 × 4 = 8, वापस 2 से करेंगे, 2 × 7 = 14, वापस फिर 7 से करेंगे तो 7 बन जा 7। अब देखते हैं अपने यहाँ पे, देखो भाई ध्यान से देखेंगे, इन दोनों में कॉमन देखो। तो देखो ये 2 कॉमन है दोनों में, दिस 2 इज आल्सो कॉमन इन बिटवीन द 2। ठीक, तो 2 और 2, तो अपने देखते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर्स बिटवीन 20 एंड 28। कॉमन फैक्टर्स बिटवीन 20 एंड 28 इक्वल्स टू 4। कॉमन फैक्टर है ना, कॉमन फैक्टर 24 वो 4 कैसे हुआ, 2 × 2 इज 4। तो क्या 20 एंड 28 इज 2 × 2 and 2 × 2 is again 4. This is our common factor between 20 and 28. Now our part B is 15 and 25. We will factorize 15. Here we are seeing, देखो भाई 2 से तो डिवाइड होगा नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट 5 है। यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट 2 होने के लिए 2 होने पे अपन किस से 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 इनसे डिवाइड करते हैं। ये अगर यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट हैं तो 2 से डिविजिबल होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट है 5, तो 2 से डिविजिबल होगा नहीं। जब ये 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं होगा तो देखना है अपने को पॉइंट, वो ये है कि भाई अगर ये 2 से डिविजिबल नहीं है, इफ दिस नंबर 15 इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाई 2, देन it will be divisible by 3, or we will go for checking whether this number 15 is divisible by 3 or not. So we will add 1 + 5 is 6. 6 is a number which is divisible by 3, hence our original number 15 is also divisible by 3. ओरिजिनल नंबर है ना अपनी 15, वो भी डिविजिबल होगी किससे, डिविजिबल होगी 3 से। तो 3 का डिवाइड करो तो 3 × 5 = 15, 5 का डिवाइड करो तो 5 बन जा 5। नेक्स्ट वन इज, दिस इज आर पार्ट ए, दिस इज बी। 15 देख लिया हमने, 25 देखेंगे। 25 देखो 25 में देखो 2 से डिवाइड होगा नहीं यूनिट प्लेस डिजिट की वजह से, 3 से डिवाइड होगा नहीं क्योंकि 5 + 2 7 रहता है, 5 से डिवाइड होगा। तो 5 से टेबल कैलकुलेट करो, 5 5 जा 25, 5 1 जा 5, तो 5 × 5 = 25। अब कॉमन फैक्टर देख रहे हैं अपने, तो देखो ये 5 और ये 5 ये दोनों में ही कॉमन है, ये 5 और ये 5 कॉमन है दोनों में। तो कॉमन फैक्टर बिटवीन 15 and 25, 15 and 25 is, कॉमन फैक्टर बिटवीन 15 and 25 इज इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा भाई आपके 5 होगा, 5। कॉमन फैक्टर बिटवीन 15 and 25 इज 5। कॉमन फैक्टर बिटवीन 15 and 25 इज 5। कॉमन फैक्टर बिटवीन 15 and 25 इज 5। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, we will go for our question number next. So our question number next is our question number next is exercise number 3.4. exercise number 3.4 and part question number first and part C. कॉमन फैक्टर्स देखने हमारे को किस किस के बीच में, 35 and 50 के बीच, 35 and 50 के बीच देखो कॉमन फैक्टर्स। तो कितना होगा आपके, पहले 35 को फैक्टराइज करेंगे। If we will factorize our 35, then here we are seeing this is not divisible by 2. Now we will go for 3. So 5 + 3 is 8. Then here we are seeing this is also not divisible by 3. Now unit place digit is 5, hence this is divisible by 5. So 5 7 ja 35, 7 1 ja 7. Okay. Now we will go for 50. This is our 50. Unit place digit is 0. We will divide this one by 2. 2 2s are 4. Now here is 1. This is 10. 2 5s are 10. When we will divide 50 by 2, we will get 25. Now we will, here we are seeing this is our unit place digit which is 5. So we will create this by 5. 5 we will count table of 5 in 25. 5 5s are 25. This is 5. Now again 5, this is 1. So our common factor is 5 only, this 5, because both the numbers, because prime factorization of both the numbers containing this 5, then our common factor between 35 and 50 is 5. Common factor between 35 and 50, 35 and 50 equals to 5. Okay, our part D is now our part D is exercise number 3.4 and our part question number first and part D is 56 and 120, 56 and 120, 120. So first factorize 56. All of first factorize 56, after that 120. So we will go for factorization of 56, which is, look at this, this is our 6, and now we have to divide 56 by 2, because unit place digit is 6. Unit place digit is 6. Hence this number 56 is divisible by 2. Okay, so here 2 2s are 4 and after that here is 1. हम काटने को क्या चले थे भाई, हम क्या कैंसिल आउट करने को चले थे 5, लेकिन 4 तक हो पाया कैंसिल आउट, तो 1 हो गया यहाँ पे। दिस इज आर 16, 2 8 are 16. Now this is 28 and we will divide our 28 by again by 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 18. Okay, now we will again divide 14 by 2, 2 7 जा 40. Now we will divide by 7, 7 1 जा 7. Okay, factors of 56 are 2, 2, 2 and 7. Factors of 56 are 2, 2, 2 and 7. Factors of 56 are 2, 2, 2 and 7. Now let's move towards 120. So here factors of 120 are, here we are seeing unit place digit is 0, hence it is divisible by 2. So we will divide, we will count table of 2. 2 6 ja 60 and 0. Again by 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 0. Again by 2, so 15 2 ja 30. Now 1 plus 5 is 6, hence 15 is divisible by 3. So we will divide this one by 3. 3 5 ja 15. Now we will divide by 5. 5 ban ja 5. Okay. So here we are seeing this is our 2, which is common in between the 2. Again 2 is common. Again 2 is common in between these two. So here we are seeing 3 times 2 is common between 56 and 120. So common factor between 56 and 120, common factor between 56 and 120 is 2, 2 into 2. 2 multiplied with 2, again multiplied with 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. This is our 8, which is common between 56 and 120. So our 8 is common in between 56 and 120. Okay. Okay, let's move towards next part. Exercise number 3.4. Here we are seeing question number 2. Find the common factors of first A 4, 8 and 12. 4, 8 and 12. Now we have to evaluate the common factor between 4, 8 and 12. We have to evaluate common factor between 4, 8 and 12. So here we are seeing when we will factorize our 4, it will give us 2. 2 to the 4, again 2, this is 1. Okay. Now we will go for 8. 2. 2 4 the 8, after that 2 to the 4, 2, this is 1. Now we will go for 12. This is 2, 2 6 the 12, again 2, 2 3 the 6, again 3, 3 1 the 3. Okay. So our common factor is 2 in between these 3. Okay. And again this 2. So here we are getting common factor is 2 into 2. Common factor is 2 into 2. Common factor among 4, 8 and 12 equals to 2 into 2 equals to 4. Common factor among 4, 8 and 12 equals to 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, and which is 4. Okay. So let us move towards our part B. Our part B is exercise number 3.4. Question number second and part B is 5, 15 and 25. 5, 15 and 25. 5, 15, 25. 5. So here we will divide this one by 5. 5 banja 5. Now let us move towards 15. So first we will count table of 3 in 15. So whenever we will count table of 3, 3 5 ja 15. This is 5. Now we will count table of 5. 5 banja 5. Okay, now we will go for 25. 5 5 ja 25. Again by 5. 5 banja 5. Okay. Here we are seeing. This is our common factor in between these 3 is 5. This 5, this 5 and this is also 5. This 5 is common in between the 3. Hence common factor between 5, 15 and 25 is 5. Common factor between 5, 15 and 25 equals to 5. Now let's move towards our part C. Question number second, part C. What is our question number second and part C? Question number second part C is exercise number 3.4. Question number second part C. There is no part C. We will move towards our question number third. Find first 3 common multiples of. Find first 3 common multiples of. Find first 3 common multiples of our part A is 6 and 8. Part B is 12 and 18. Part A is 6 and 8. Part B is 12 and 18. Now we will see. First one is 6 and 8 and second one is 12 and 18. 6. We will factorize this one, which is 6. 2 3 ja 6. 3 1 ja 3. Okay. Now we will go for 8. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. This is our common 2 in between 6 and 8. This is our common term, which is 2 between 6 and 8. This is our common term 2 between 6 and 8. So, and now we have to calculate. Actually, this was my demo for this type of questions. Let's move towards our find first 3 common multiple of 6 and 8. Common multiples, whenever we will find out the common multiples, then we will see 2 is common in between both. Okay, and factor common is 2, but we have to find out the common multiples. So we will see common multiples of 6 and 8 is, first we will write table of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54 and 6 10 जा 60, 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा 18, 6 4 जा 24, 6 5 जा 30, 6 6 जा 36, 6 7 जा 42, 6 8 जा 48, 6 9 जा 54, 6 10 जा 60. Now we will count table of 8. 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32, 8 5 जा 40, 8 6 जा 48, 56, 64, 72, and after that 80. We have to write first 3 common multiples. Okay, so in both the tables the numbers which are common are only the common multiples of 6 and 8. Okay, so first we will see in common multiples. We will go for first one is 24. First one is 24 is common in between these two. 24 is common in between these two. Okay, and after that here we will see 48 is also common. 48 is also common in between these two. Okay, now here we are seeing again 60 is not common, but 6, 42, and after that this is 66, and after that 72 will come. So 72 is also common. So common factors between 6 and 8. Common factors between 6 and 8 are common factors between 6 and 8 are 24, 48, 72. 24, 48, 72. 24, 48 and 72. 24, 48 and 72. 24, 48 and 72. Now next one is this one. So just make a screenshot or write these very properly, and after that I am going towards our part B. Okay, so let me rub this B part for making some space. B part is 12 and 18. B part is 12 and 18. Or B part is 12 and 18. So first we will write table of 12 and after that table of 18. So table of 12 and table of 18. Table of 12 is 12 1 12, 12 2 24, 36, 48, okay, 12 1 12, 12 2 24, 12 3 36, 12 4 48, 12 5 60, 12 6 72, 12 7 84, 12 8 96, 12 9 108, and 12 10 120. After that 12 11 is 144, 142, 132, and after that 12 12 is 144. Okay, and now let us count, or let me count the table of 18. What is table of 18? Table of 18 is 18 1 18, 18 2 18 1 18, 18 2 36, 18 3 54, 18 4 72, 18 5 90, 18 6 108, 18 7 126, 18 8 144, 18 9 ja 162 and 18 10 ja 180. So our first common is 36. Both the tables are having 36, so our 36 is common in between these two. And after that 72 is also common in between these two tables. Okay, now let us move towards our 108, which is also common in between these two tables. Okay, so we can say our first three common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72 and 108. Okay, now let us move our question number next, which is exercise number 3.4, and our question number next is question number 4th. Question number 4th is write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. 3 and 4 common multiples on 3 and 4, and we have to write less than 100. Okay, so I am going to just write, we are given two numbers, first one is 3 and second one is 4, and I am going to write numbers from 1 to 100. After that only we can choose which number is a common multiple of 3 and 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Second one is 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and this is 20. Third one is 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and this is 30. Now next one is 31 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 and this is 40. Next one is 41 42 43 and 44 45 46 47 48 48 49 and this is 50 over here. Now our next one is 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 and this is our 60. Next one is 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 and last one is 70. Next one is 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 78, 79, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and this is 80. Now our next one is 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and this is our 90. Okay, now 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and this is 100, 100. Okay, so now let us move towards common factors of 3 and 4 are, 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 first we will see, first we will see, this is 3 and 4, we will multiply 3 and 4, 3 multiplied with 4 equals to 12. So table of 12, we have to count table of 12, how many numbers are there in coming in the table of 12. Then our first common factor is, first common multiple is 12. Okay, so let us check first. Our exercise number 3.4 and our question number, which question? 4th, common multiples of 3 and 4. 12 1 12, 12 2 24, 12 3 जा 36, 12 4 जा 48, 12 5 जा 60, 72, 12 5 72, 84, after that 96. Okay, our common factors are 12 1 12, 12 2 जा 24, 12 3 12 1 12, 12 2 24, 12 3 जा 36, 12 4 जा 48, 12 5 जा 60, 12 6 जा 72, 12 7 जा 84, and our 12 8 जा 96. So up to here these all common factors of 3 and 4 are given on this chart. भाई 3 और 4 यानी 3 and 4 के जो कॉमन फैक्टर्स हैं वो इसमें दिए गए हैं. ठीक, चलिए एंड other questions of this exercise I will teach you in our next video. So up to that, stay home, stay safe. Okay.